Confederation Cup Group D, Match Day 3. It is Zesco United of Zambia versus Kaizer Chiefs of South Africa. This match will take place on Sunday, the 25th of January, 2026. The venue, it is Levi Mwanawasa Stadium in Ndola, in Zambia. Kickoff time, it is 1 o'clock local and South African Standard Time. The context. This is a survival battle for the Southern African representatives in Group D. While the Egyptian duo of Zamalek and Al Masry currently dominate the top two spots, Kaizer Chiefs are looking to capitalize on their recent league momentum to climb into qualification territory. The Group D standing entering to Match Day 3. Number 1, it is Zamalek of Egypt, having played 2 matches, 1 win and 1 draw, 0 defeats, goal difference of +1, collected 4 points. That's Zamalek. Number 2, it is Al Masry of Egypt. They've played 2 matches, they've got 1 win, 0 draws, they've got 1 defeat, they've got a goal difference of +1, they've got 3 points. Then we've got Kaizer Chiefs of South Africa, played 2 matches, 0 wins, 1 draw, 1 defeat, a goal difference of -1, only have collected 1 point. Lastly, number 4, it is Zesco United of Zambia. They've played 2 matches, 0 wins, 0 draws, 2 defeats, and a goal difference of -2 and 0 points collected. So, Kaizer Chiefs, who will be the Kaizer Chiefs key player? Claude Lepo is their key player going into this match. For Zesco United, key player, it is Derek Obame. Since Nazri Nabi's departure in late 2025, core coaches Cedric Kazi and Khalil Ben Youssef have stabilized the ship. They are currently third in the Betway Premiership, just 2 points behind Mamelodi Sundowns. Kazi is emphasizing realistic football. Expect a disciplined 4-3-3 formation designed to weather the early storm in Zambia before exploiting Zesco's desperate need to win. Kaizer Chiefs have traveled with a full squad, including Aiden McCarthy, who scored the winning header earlier this week in a Betway Premiership match against Golden Arrows. For Zesco United, this is a do or die. Zesco is currently bottom of the group with 0 points. A loss here will essentially end their continental campaign. Coach George Lwandamina will likely unleash his new signings, Obame and Manda, from the start. They need to turn the Levi Mwanawasa Stadium into a fortress and disrupt the rhythm of Kaizer Chiefs' midfield. The head-to-head and rivalry. In terms of history, these two sides famously met in the 2018-2019 Confederations Cup playoffs, where Zesco knocked Chiefs out 5-2 on aggregate. For Amakosi fans, this is a chance for revenge and to prove that the current squad is mentally tougher than teams of the past decade. The forecast and prediction, the Ndola heat factor. The afternoon kickoff in Zambia is notoriously difficult for South African teams. Zesco will start with high energy fueled by the home crowd. However, Chiefs' defensive organization has improved significantly over the past few months. Predictions. I'm predicting a 1-1 draw in this match. What are your predictions, guys? Go to your comment sections and give me your predictions. Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Tebos Kosana. The name of the platform is Mzansi Total Football. Thank you very much.